36 of our grammar practice book for our Wonders curriculum, and we're going to look at the irregular plural nouns. The first thing that I want you to do is write your name at the top of your paper. And I'm going to read the set of instructions to you as you follow along with your finger. Some nouns have irregular plurals that do not follow regular plural rules. Many nouns that end in F or FE are made plural by changing the F to a V and adding ES, such as life. We would change it to lives by changing the F to a V and adding ES. Some nouns are made plural by changing their vowel sound and spelling, such as foot to feet. Some nouns are made plural by using different endings, such as child changes to children. We don't say childs, we say children. We're going to read each sentence and circle the irregular plural and write it on the line. Number 1. We watch the geese fly into the clouds. Raise your hand if you can tell me what it is. Everyone? Geese. Geese, yes. We watch the geese, so it says circle it. We're going to circle geese, and we're going to write it out on the line. Number 2, the men picked up their suitcases and boarded the plane. It's not man, it's not man's. Men. If there are two, it's men. So we're going to circle men. And you're going to write it on the line. Number 3, 2 halves of the pie equal 1 whole. What is our irregular plural?
Halves.
Halves. Good job. Half is H-A-L-F, and instead of just adding an S at the end, it changes to a V. Number 4, the patients waited for the dentist to look at their teeth. Not tooths, but teeth. Circle teeth and write it on the line. They ask their wives to join them on stage. Wives, good job. The teams of oxen pulled the plows across the field. So there are more than one ox. So instead of saying oxes, it's oxen. Knife is typically spelled with an F, but when you change it to plural, we're going to look at it. Are there enough knives for all the dishes on the table? It changes the F to a V, and we have ES on the end. Number 8, all the women were asked to come onto the dance floor. Yes. Number 9, we needed rakes to clean up the fallen leaves. Leaves. So I'm hearing rakes, but rake is spelled R-A-K-E. All they did was add an S, so it's not irregular. Leaves is spelled L-E-A-F if it is singular. So it's irregular because the F changes to a V, and then there's an ES. Number 10, the gentlemen arrived wearing suits and ties. Good job. Make sure your name's at the top of your paper and that you've got all the answers correct. If you're watching the video, you can pause it. If you're in my class, just double check it before you turn it in.